Welcome. This is the signal given x of t. So this is the signal from -2 to 2. The signal is a straight line. From 2 to 4 the signal is constant 20, and then there is a change in signal. The signal value goes to -20 at t equal to 4, and then again it is a straight line from 4 to 6. So we have to consider signal y of t is related to this signal x of t as y of t equal to minus of 5 x of minus 2t plus 8. So the question says that we have to find the value of dy by dt at t equal to 4 second. So we have to apply various operations on this signal to get y of t. So the best method for this is we operate from right to left, means we have to operate from here to here. So the first operation is the time shifting. Ignore all of these and first just concentrate on this plus 8. So the first operation is the time shifting. We have to time shift by plus 8. So the time shifting by plus 8 means we have to shift the signal from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this signal will entirely shift from here to here. And if it was -8, then we had to shift the signal from here to here. So the signal will shift. Just subtract -8 from all of these values. So this will be -10, this will be -6, this will be -4, and this will be -2. -2 will become -10, 2 will become -6, 4 will become -4, and 6 will become -2. So just we have to change the time values, and no change will happen on the magnitude of the signal. This plus 20 and this -20 will remain same. So just draw the signal as it is and just change the time values. So this is the resultant signal x of t plus 8. This is x of t plus 8. The next operation will be x of 2t plus 8. So we have to do the time scaling by 2. So when there is time scaling by 2, then just divide all time limits by 2 and draw the signal as it is. So just divide all these time limits by 2. So -10 will be divided by 2, -6 will be divided by 2, -4 will be divided by 2, and -2 will be divided by 2, and the rest will remain same. So there will be no change in the magnitude values. So only we have to divide all these things by 2. So it will get -5, -3, -2, -1. There is no change in the shape of the signal, and there is no change in the magnitude of the signal. So this will remain 20 and this will remain -20. The next operation is x of -2t plus 8. So we have to do the time reversal this time. We have to just because there is a negative sign here, -2t. So the time reversal, just fold the signal, means just fold the signal with respect to this y-axis. So when we just fold the signal with respect to this y-axis, then what will happen is this -1 will become +1, -2 will become +2, -3 will become +3, and -5 will become +5. The signs of these the time will become just opposite, and the signal will, and there will be no change in the magnitude of the signal. So from 1 to 2 the signal will go from 0 to -20. Then at 2 there will be change from -20 to +20. Then and from 2 to 3 the signal will remain constant. Then again from 3 to 5 the signal will go from 20 to 0. Now the next operation is minus 5 of x of minus 2t plus 8. So we have to multiply the signal by minus 5. Now there will be no change in the time values, only the magnitude values at all of these times will change. So the magnitude at 1 is 0, so it will remain 0. The magnitude at 2, which was from minus 20 to plus 20, will go from plus 20 to plus 100 to minus 100. So the magnitude at 2 is, which was changing from minus 20 to plus 20, it will change from plus 100 to minus 100 because we have to multiply by minus 5. So minus 20 will become 100 and 20 will become minus 100. So this line we will get. Then again from 2 to 3 the signal magnitude was 20, so it will become minus 100. So from 2 to 3 minus 100. Then from 3 to 5 there was change from 20 to 0, so now there will be change from minus 100 to 0. So from 3 to 5 the signal will change from minus 100 to 0. So this is the resultant signal from 100 to minus 100. There will be no change in the time values. When we do the time operation, then there is no change in the magnitude values, and when we do the magnitude operation, then there is no change in the time values. Kindly note this basic thing. Now we have to find the value of dy by dt at t equal to 4. So the value of dy by so the meaning of finding dy by dt at t equal to 4 is we have to find the slope of the signal at t equal to 4. So we have to find the slope of this line at t equal to 4. Now this is a constant line from 3 to 5. And the slope is changing from minus 100 to 0. So the final slope is 0 and initial slope is minus 100. So we have to do 0 minus of minus 100. And this change is occurring over two time values. So the slope will be equal to 0 minus minus 100 upon 5 minus 3. Final value minus initial value upon final time minus initial time. So the slope will be 50. So this is the value of signal at t equal to 4. Thank you.